Good morning, children. Welcome to the English session. Children, winning and losing is a part of the game. Winners are always appreciated, but the losers should not lose their heart because at least they have given a try. Today, the poem which we are going to study also gives us the same message. Poem number 1, Don't Give Up. I will read the first stanza. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. You have is the contracted form of you have. Won is the past tense of win. The meaning of the word win is to be successful or victorious. Alls is the contracted form of all is. That's is the contracted form of that is. Now I will explain the stanza. The poetess says that even if one has tried and failed, one should never stop there. She says that having patience helps one achieve great things in life. Now I will read the next stanza. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Now I will explain the stanza. In this stanza, the poetess gives example of the little birds that fall while learning to fly, but they still do not stop trying. Through a continuous effort, they finally learn to fly and grow stronger. Now I will read the third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. The meaning of the word sturdy is strong and healthy. The meaning of the word blast here is a sudden strong wind or air. The meaning of the word loftier is taller and stronger. Now I will explain the stanza. The poetess gives us another example of an oak tree that has survived many storms and has grown taller and stronger. Now I will read the last stanza. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. The meaning of the word you beat here is you win. The meaning of the word victory is to win. The meaning of the word defeat is to overcome or beat. Now I will explain the stanza. The poetess concludes by saying that if one wins by easy means, it would be of no value. Hence, winning after facing defeat is the real achievement. Now we will see the rhyming words which we have come across in the poem. The rhyming word of one is done. The rhyming word of crying is trying. The rhyming word of stronger is longer. The rhyming word of known is grown. The rhyming word of her is prouder. The rhyming word of beat is defeat. So children, from this poem we learn that one must never give up. To keep on trying is the quality of winners. One must consider failures as the stepping stones to success. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.